Hey guys, another video, a little build of the day. As you can see, the new discus are going fine. They are just a bit scared because I set up, as you can see, a new cover following the first test performed on Trophäus tank, but with a slightly different width of the plate. So it's acrylic glass, one more time, with such kind of liquid cement. Okay, not so easy to find, but once you get it, it's very nice because it's merging the material, melting together, cold melting. Exactly, so by the way, you maybe can compare here directly. On the left, I use just 2mm plates. On the right, I use 2mm only on the top, and here, for example, or under it, the second layer and this one are 4mm. So you can compare maybe like that, 2mm, 4mm. So it's in order to get a bit more rigidity on the structure. And also, in fact, when you see like that, you see 2mm above, 2mm under through the glass, and in fact, you don't see the 2mm in addition of the second layer under it. So, in contrary, here you just see 2mm on the top, and you don't really see what's going on under it on the second layer. So this time I tested this mix of texture. And here you can see that the work has to be done under the millimeter as well. It's a bit constraintful and you have to take your time when you're building it. But after that, the final result is pretty nice. So for this plate, as well, it's not at all the definitive ones. In fact, you can see it open like that, and the end result will look like more like that. But I still want to avoid a bit some evaporation and also to cover the tank. Especially, I'm pretty sure you know it, but when you have some new fishes, they don't know the tank, but they don't know also outside of the tank. And something you may find stupid, but over there you have a TV with some reflection inside the tank. I can tell you that the first evening, few times, you can hear boom, 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 the discus going in the corner. But I have to say that these fishes are quite easy going and not so stressed. Okay, out of here right now, of course, but very active, and I saw them starting to feed today, so it's already a good thing. So quickly have a look what's going on here for the third time. Some little Ramirez Blue Electric, German Blue Electric. We will see what it will turn this time. Just for you to see a bit more the cover in detail. As you can see, I let in the middle a hole in order to get one more time a better access to the light, and if possible some effect on the ground because of the direct access of the light. But here for the feeder I had to put this space here. I prefer to put the feeder a bit more on the right. If you see, this is the output of the filter pushing the dry food in this direction and accumulating here. It's perfect, letting the fish a bit more time to feed. For the Trophäus, the configuration is a bit different. In fact, you see, Trophäus, here the feeder is in the middle, the food is going, the food in 10 seconds, there's no much, not any more food, so they are a bit scary, I would say, eating these fishes. But by the way, here you have one output, one hole for this output, so you have a lot of stream here, a lot of flow, and the few little dry pellets and so on still swimming at this moment are going in this direction, and it is fine. So finally you can have a look of both tank this way, and you can have a look also of the little guys. As I told you, a bit scared. So tonight they were much more active enjoying the tank, I hope so. But we will see. And eating, so it's already 2 good points. But modification and the build that I just made to put in place the top stress them a little bit. So guys, that's all. And another upgrade of the fake twins. Ciao.